Ever felt the panic of missing a flight or getting stuck in security? You're not alone. Discover the 20 crucial airport hacks that will not only save you time, but also make your travel experience a breeze. You know that sinking feeling when you're hit with unexpected baggage fees? Yeah, let's avoid that. Here's the deal. Airlines are getting stricter with their baggage policies, and ignorance isn't bliss, it's expensive. But don't worry, I've got your back. First things first, always check your airline's website before packing. Look for weight limits for checked and carry-on bags, size restrictions, pro tip, measure your suitcase including wheels and handles, and fees for extra bags or overweight luggage. But here's where you can get clever. Wear your bulkiest items on the plane, use a luggage scale at home to avoid surprises, and consider vacuum-sealed bags to compress clothes. Remember, being a baggage policy ninja isn't just about avoiding fees, it's about stress-free travel. And that, my friend, is priceless. Ever been that person holding up the security line? Not anymore. Let's make you security savvy. The TSA has rules and knowing them is your superpower. Here's your game plan. Liquid's 3-1-1 rule. 3.4 ounces or less per container. 1 quart-size clear bag, 1 bag per passenger. Electronics, laptops, and tablets out of your bag and in a separate bin. Shoes off and in the bin, unless you're lucky enough to have TSA pre-check. Metal, empty your pockets completely. Yes, that includes that tiny coin you forgot about. Pro move. Wear slip-on shoes and avoid belts if possible. You'll be through security faster than you can say next flight, please. Remember, security isn't just a hurdle. It's there to keep us all safe. A little preparation goes a long way in making the process smooth for everyone. All right, let's get serious for a second. We all love a good laugh, but the airport security line is not your improv stage. Here's the cold, hard truth. Jokes about bombs, weapons, or any kind of threat can land you in hot water faster than you can say I was just kidding. We're talking potential arrest, missed flights, and even legal consequences. Why so serious? Because security personnel are trained to take every threat seriously. They don't have the luxury of assuming you're joking. So what should you do? Keep conversations light and non-threatening. If asked about your luggage, give straightforward answers. Save your stand-up routine for after you land. Remember, a moment of perceived wit isn't worth the potential consequences. Keep it cool, keep it calm, and you'll be on your way in no time. Let's talk about airport karma. Being nice to airport staff isn't just good manners. It's a travel hack that can make or break your journey. Think about it. Airport staff deal with stressed, tired, and often grumpy travelers all day. A little kindness can go a long way. Here's why it pays to be nice. Better service. Friendly passengers often receive better assistance. Problem-solving staff are more likely to go the extra mile for polite travelers. Potential upgrades. While rare, being exceptionally nice could lead to unexpected perks. How to ace the kindness game. Greet staff with a smile. Be patient, even when things go wrong. Say please and thank you. Yes, it's that simple. Remember, airport staff are humans too. Treat them with respect, and you'll likely have a smoother, more pleasant travel experience. Luggage vigilance. Why your bag is your best friend. Picture this. You're at the airport, you see a comfy seat, and you think, I'll just leave my bag here for a sec while I grab a coffee. Stop right there. Unattended luggage is a big no-no in airports. Here's why. Security risk. It can trigger evacuations and delays. Theft magnet, opportunistic thieves love unattended bags. Personal responsibility. You're accountable for your belongings. So what's a traveler to do? Keep your luggage with you at all times. If you need to step away, ask a travel companion to watch your stuff. No travel buddy? Ask airport staff for assistance. Think of your luggage as your airport BFF. Stick together and you'll both have a better time. Information is power. Stay updated on flight details. In the fast-paced world of air travel, information is your best friend. Flight details can change faster than you can say boarding pass, so staying in the loop is crucial. Here's how to be an information ninja. Download your airline's app for real-time updates. Keep an eye on the flight information screens. Listen to announcements. Yes, even if you're engrossed in that podcast. Pro tip, set up push notifications on your phone for your flight. It's like having a personal travel assistant in your pocket. Remember, a little vigilance can save you from the nightmare of missed flights or unnecessary airport camping. Booze cruise? Not so fast. The perils of pre-flight drinking. I get it, airports can be stressful and that pre-flight cocktail looks mighty tempting. But before you belly up to the airport bar, let's talk about why excessive drinking is a one-way ticket to travel trouble. Here's the sobering truth. Airlines can, and will, deny boarding to intoxicated passengers. Drunk passengers can face fines and even arrest. Alcohol hits harder at altitude, making in-flight intoxication a real risk. So what's the move? If you drink, do so in moderation, stay hydrated with water, eat a meal to help absorb alcohol. Remember, your goal is to arrive at your destination, not the airport jail. Keep it classy and you'll have a much better travel experience. CyberSmart, protecting your data on airport Wi-Fi. Free Wi-Fi at the airport? Awesome. A hacker stealing your data? Not so much. Public Wi-Fi networks are a playground for cybercriminals, but don't worry, I've got your digital back. Here's how to stay cyber-smart. Use a VPN, virtual private network, to encrypt your data. Avoid accessing sensitive information, like banking sites, on public Wi-Fi. Turn off file sharing and automatic Wi-Fi connections on your devices. Pro tip: consider using your phone's mobile hotspot instead of public Wi-Fi for added security. Remember, a little caution goes a long way in keeping your personal info personal. Visa vigilance. Don't let paperwork ruin your adventure. Picture this. You've planned the perfect trip, packed your bags, and arrived at the airport, only to be told you can't board because you don't have the right visa. Talk about a travel nightmare. Visa requirements can be tricky, but here's how to ace them. Research visa requirements well in advance, at least a month before travel. Check if you need a visa on arrival, or if you must apply beforehand. Be aware of visa processing times. Some can take weeks. Pro tip: even if you don't need a visa, check if there are any other entry requirements like proof of onward travel or minimum passport validity. Remember, a little paperwork now can save you a lot of heartache later. Don't let visa issues clip your travel wings. Customs Crusader. Navigate international rules like a pro. Crossing borders is exciting, but it comes with its own set of rules. Customs regulations can vary wildly from country to country, and ignorance isn't an excuse. Here's how to be a Customs Crusader. Research customs rules for your destination before packing. Be aware of limits on alcohol, tobacco, and cash. Know which foods and plants are prohibited. Yes, even that innocent-looking apple. Pro tip: when in doubt, declare it. It's better to ask than to face fines or have items confiscated. Remember, being a responsible traveler means respecting local laws and regulations. It's all part of the adventure. Contraband check. Keep prohibited items out of your bag. We've all been there, standing at security, watching helplessly as our favorite pocket knife or full-size shampoo gets confiscated. Let's avoid that, shall we? Here's your contraband checklist. Check the TSA website for a full list of prohibited items. Remember the 311 liquids rule for carry-ons. Be aware that some items, like lithium batteries, have special packing requirements. Pro tip: if you're unsure about an item, pack it in your checked luggage or leave it at home. Remember, a little pre-packing research can save you a lot of hassle and your favorite belongings at the airport. Medication mission. Keep your health in check while traveling. When it comes to medication, the Boy Scout motto, "Be prepared," is your best friend. Don't let a lost suitcase or flight delay compromise your health. Here's your medication mission. Always pack essential meds in your carry-on. Bring more than you think you'll need. Delays happen. Carry a copy of your prescriptions and doctor's note for controlled substances. Pro tip: keep medications in their original labeled containers to avoid issues at security. Remember, your health is your most important travel companion. Take care of it. Label love. Make your luggage stand out. In the sea of black suitcases at baggage claim, make yours the star of the show. Not only will it be easier to spot, but proper labeling can be a lifesaver if your bag decides to take its own vacation. Here's how to show your luggage some label love. Use durable luggage tags with your name and contact info. Add a unique identifier like a colorful ribbon or sticker for quick spotting, and consider a smart luggage tag for real-time tracking. Pro tip: put a copy of your itinerary inside your bag in case the external tag falls off. Remember, a well-labeled bag is more likely to find its way back to you if it gets lost in transit. Zen Master. Stay cool in airport conflicts. Airports can be stressful, but channeling your inner Zen master can save you from a world of trouble. Arguments and conflicts can escalate quickly in the high-pressure airport environment. Here's how to keep your cool. Take deep breaths when you feel tension rising. Use I statements to express concerns without blaming, and if a situation is getting heated, ask for assistance from airport staff. Pro tip: remember that most issues have solutions. Getting angry rarely helps and can often make things worse. Stay calm, communicate clearly, and you'll navigate airport conflicts like a pro. Health hero navigate travel in the age of pandemics. In our post-pandemic world, being a health hero at the airport isn't just smart, it's essential. Protecting yourself and others is the new normal of travel. Here's how to be a health hero. Stay updated on health advisories for your destination. Wear a mask in crowded areas, even if it's not required. Pack hand sanitizer and use it frequently. Pro tip: consider travel insurance that covers health emergencies, including pandemic-related issues. Remember, healthy travel is happy travel. Take precautions and enjoy your journey with peace of mind. Dress for Success Airport Edition. Your airport outfit isn't just about comfort, it's about practicality and avoiding unnecessary attention. Let's dress you for airport success. Here's your airport fashion guide. Opt for comfortable, loose-fitting clothes. Choose slip-on shoes for easy removal at security. Avoid excessive metal accessories to breeze through metal detectors. Pro tip: layers are your friend. Airports and planes can go from hot to cold quickly. Remember, your goal is to blend in, not stand out. Save the fashion statement for your destination. Tech-savvy traveler. Don't let dead devices derail your trip. In our connected world, a dead phone can feel like a travel emergency. Don't let your devices let you down when you need them most. Here's how to be a tech-savvy traveler. Pack all necessary chargers in your carry-on. Bring a portable power bank for on-the-go charging. Consider a universal travel adapter for international trips. Pro tip: take photos of important documents, passport, visa, as a backup in case your phone dies. Stay charged, stay connected, and keep your travel plans on track. Time zone tamer. Don't let jet lag win. Crossing time zones can mess with your body clock and your travel plans. Let's make you a time zone tamer. Here's how to conquer jet lag. Adjust your sleep schedule a few days before travel. Stay hydrated during your flight. Try to adapt to local time as soon as you land. Pro tip: use a world clock app to keep track of time differences easily. Remember, conquering jet lag is all about preparation and adaptation. Your body will thank you. Snack strategist. Fuel your journey without breaking the bank. Airport food can be expensive and not always the healthiest. Be a snack strategist and come prepared. Here's how to snack smart. Pack empty water bottles to fill after security. Bring non-liquid snacks like nuts, dried fruit, or granola bars. Research which foods are allowed through security in your departure country. Pro tip: pack a variety of sweet and savory snacks to satisfy different cravings. Remember, a well-fed traveler is a happy traveler. Don't let hunger make you hangry. Loyalty program lover. Maximize your travel rewards. Last but not least, let's talk about making your travels work for you. Loyalty programs can turn your trips into future perks and savings. Here's how to be a loyalty program lover. Sign up for airline and hotel loyalty programs. Use a travel rewards credit card for bookings. Keep track of your points and miles. Pro tip: consider focusing on one airline alliance to accumulate points faster. Remember, every trip is an opportunity to earn rewards for future adventures. Make those miles count. And there you have it, folks. These 20 airport hacks will transform you into a travel pro in no time. Remember, the key to stress-free travel is preparation, patience, and a positive attitude. Whether you're embarking on solo travel, looking for budget travel tips, or just trying to master your travel packing, these tips will serve you well. Keep this travel guide handy, and don't forget your travel essentials. Safe travels, and may your journeys be filled with adventure and smooth sailing through airports worldwide.